In this video, we'll demonstrate how to work with BRT strip plates to ensure the integrity and longevity of the wells. Do the same for the BRT inhibitor test, the BRT MRL screening test, and the BRT HiSense. Please read the instruction manual carefully before performing the first test. Prepare lyophilized negative and positive controls as described. To release the wells from the plate, unfold the edges around of the film. Turn the entire strip plate over to gently release the wells from the plate. Next, turn the strip plate back over and fold one strip with 8 wells. Detach the wells from the strip plate using, for example, a pair of scissors. This helps keep any unused wells sealed and preserved for future use. Now remove the film from the wells. Please note that once opened, wells should be processed promptly to prevent drying out. By following these steps, you can ensure the longevity of your wells. Now mix the negative control gently approximately 5 times. Setting the pipette to 100 microliters. Pipette the negative control into the first well and discard the pipette tip. Do the same with the positive control. Mix it gently 5 times. With a new pipette tip, pipette the positive control into the second well. The labeled milk samples to be tested are treated similarly to the controls. Mix it gently 5 times. Pipette the milk sample into the third and fourth wells. Please use a new pipette tip for each sample. We recommend testing the samples in duplicate. This meticulous process ensures the uniform distribution of milk ingredients, the control's integrity, and minimizes the risk of cross-contamination between samples. Please remember, only milk samples of high quality will produce correct inhibitor testing results. Sour, dirty, or bloody samples are not suitable for testing. Seal the wells with the provided adhesive foil and label them. Negative control, positive control, and sample number. Then, place the sealed wells in a preheated incubator. Please always close the lid during incubation. The surrounding environment should be at room temperature, and the incubator should not be exposed to drafts. Set the incubation time on the timer. Alternatively, the incubation of the BRT wells can also be done in a water bath at 65 degrees Celsius. Ensure a high water level and do not add bactericides to the water. After the incubation period, take the wells out of the incubator and check if the well with the negative control has completely changed to yellow. If not, extend the incubation for another 15 minutes and check again. To evaluate, compare the color of the wells with positive control and negative control with the color of the test sample well. The test medium of the cavities with samples number 1 has decolorized to yellow, indicating that this sample is inhibitor-free. The test medium of the cavities with sample number 2 is slightly darker than the negative control, but distinctly different from the blue of the positive control. The sample is considered inhibitor-free. The test medium of the cavities with sample number 3 are as blue as the positive control, indicating that the sample is inhibitor positive. Please always remember, the milk sample on top of the test medium can absorb the blue dye of the test medium and therefore appear darker on the surface. This is normal. The coloration on top of the test medium is not considered for evaluation. Thank you for watching. The BRT test systems for the reliable detection of inhibitors in milk for inspection associations, for dairies, and for milk producers.